welcome to my YouTube channel Building Strengths Tutorial. In today's video, we will learn the key data types in Python. It is very important to learn about the data types of Python because this will help you to apply codes in a proper manner. So let's start. Here in the given table, you can see various data types which will be used in Python coding. First column is representing the name of the data type. The second column is representing the type. Basically, this means that there is a specific short name for each data type in the Python, and thus Python is not going to allow you to write or enter any variable name similar to these types. It will show error if you will give similar name to one of your variables. Now, so we have three data types, and for each one of them we have one shortened name such as int for integers, float float for floating point, str for strings. Now let's discuss these one by one. Firstly, integers are just basic whole numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 100, 200, 1000, 10,000, etc. However, floating points in Python are categorized as numbers with a decimal point, such as 1.5, 2.3, 3.5, 200.0, etc. It means whenever you will add a decimal point with an integer, it will become a floating point in Python. Next up is strings. Strings are the data types which are basically an ordered sequence of characters with inverted commas or strings. They can be in words, numbers, and so on. The strings can have both double quotes as well as single quotes. For example, as you can see in your screen, Rekha in single quotes, Samar in double quotes, 10,000 in double quotes. Since the integer 10,000 has now double quotes around it, it is now a string. So these are the basic data types in Python. Now there are some basic data structures as well, such as lists, dictionaries, tuples, sets, and booleans, which are more specialized in these basic data types, that is integers, floating points, and strings. I will be discussing these in more detail in my next video, so stay tuned. That's it for today. Hope you liked the video and it helped you. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Goodbye and take care.